A very good evening to everyone out there present. नमस्कार সকলোকে सब लोगों को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं एंजेला राजखुआ गुवाहाटी में रहती हूँ और आपको इस वंडरफुल इवनिंग में सबको मैं वेलकम करती हूँ। और इस सेशन में हम आपसे बात करेंगे, बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव एक सेशन है ये। एंड इन दिस सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू ऑल business presentation. The session is global business opportunity with products evolution. Okay, so जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि ये एक बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी शेयरिंग सेशन है। सो द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू शेयर विद अस द बिजनेस is his name is Rupam Bhuya. He is assistant general manager in a major telecom industry who is with his profession. He is carrying out equally, and he is equally successful in this business also. And so without much delay, I would welcome the ZenY leader, Mr. Rupam Bhuya. The screen is all yours.
Okay, thank you, Angela. Thank you for the warm welcome. So, as Angela shared, so I am Rupam Bhuya, and by qualification, I am an engineer with electronics and telecommunication. And presently, I'm working in a multinational company. And almost 16 years, I have been onto the telecommunication sector. In fact, I started my career with Reliance Telecom, and eventually I moved to a new company, that's Vodafone. And eventually, for last almost 14 years, I'm associated with Vodafone. Now it's Vodafone Idea, basically. So yes, it has been a wonderful working experience with my job. However, along with my job, I am building this business. The business presentation I will be sharing. So I'm building this business along with my profession, my prime profession. So I would urge everybody to pay their undivided attention for this, for the next maybe 40 minutes or so. So I'll be covering the presentation in about 40 minutes. And since our business is a global business with along with a huge range of products, so there will be live demonstration of the products also. So yes, prior to beginning of the presentation, I will just share a few some of the facts, or some of the what do you say, a story, maybe my story, how I came across along with this, or I got introduced with this business. मैं business कैसे मतलब इसको देखने का कैसे सौभाग्य हुआ मुझे. So I'll be sharing those 2-3 minutes on that, and later part I'll be sharing how the business works, basically how it can work for you. Okay, so net I'm absolutely sure that today's this 30 minutes would definitely and surely change your life, as it has changed my life, basically. Okay, so yes, I'll just share the presentation on the screen. Just a minute. Okay. Just let me know if this screen is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, it is clear and visible.
Okay.
Yes, it is visible.
Thank you. So yes, you can see I've written a quote: "The only constant is change." So yes, I'll talk a lot of things about change, what it change actually does mean in our life, why it is so important in our life, basically. So उससे पहले मैं बोलता हूँ मैं कैसे ये business में आया. So as I said, I did my engineering in the year 2003. I passed out in 2003, and in the last month of or the last semester of my engineering, I got recruited in a telecommunication company, that is Reliance, and I was very happy because I was the only guy to be selected from my college in the company in a telecommunication sector, which was a booming sector at that point in time. And I thought that life is set. And मुझे लगा कि मतलब ऐसा होता है ना, my contemporaries, they were not in job, but I got a job. They were still studying, or they are doing further study and all those things. So I got a job, and it was very like a proud moment for me. And eventually I worked hard worked hard in the company in which I got recruited, and I changed my job. And मतलब जितना दिन जा रहा था, टाइम जा रहा था, my salary was increasing. ठीक है? Yes, along with my salary, something else was also increasing, which I was actually not giving a very what do you say? जैसे कि मेरा बीपी बढ़ गया था, ठीक है? So at a very young age, maybe in my around 27, 28 years में मेरा hypertension आ गया था, मैं बीपी बढ़ गया था, because of stress. पैसा तो बढ़िया आ रहा था, लेकिन stress was a very major part. If somebody is in the corporate sector, they know what is stress in corporate basically. So yes, all those things were there. And I was thinking कि ऐसे भी जैसे कि मैं जब जॉब शुरू किया, although I got started a job, मेरा लेकिन प्राइम मेरा इंटेंशन एक था, बिकॉज आई हैव ए पैशन फॉर म्यूजिक. मेरा एक पैशन था छोटे से, मैं थोड़ा गाने का मेरा I used to play keyboards and guitars, so I had a passion कि मैं म्यूजिक लाइन में जाऊंगा. But since being in a middle class family, job is also equally important, so I had to compromise on my feelings or on my ambitions maybe. और छोटे से हम लोग को पढ़ाया जाता है कि, या फिर बोला जाता है कि अच्छे से पढ़ो, एक अच्छा नौकरी लो और लाइफ इज सेट. सो मुझे वही दिख रहा था, एंड आई वाज ऑन टू दैट ओनली. बट इवेंचुअली मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यस, जॉब इज गुड, हाउएवर जॉब इज नॉट दी, मतलब उससे मेरा जो एम्बिशंस था या फिर जैसे कि मेरा जो ड्रीम्स एंड डिजायर्स था, दोज वर नॉट गोइंग टू फुलफिल. I could understand that, and eventually I started to look for something. या फिर मेरा कुछ अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए मैंने कुछ हाथ पैर मारना शुरू किया. And I started also few startups I did, but I was failure because मुझे गाइड करने वाला कोई नहीं था, right? And eventually I came across this business opportunity. आज से 1.5-2 साल पहले I came across a group of entrepreneurs जिन्होंने मुझे ये business opportunity दिखाया. And after going through the business presentation and understanding it in depth इसके बारे में मालूमात जब किया, मुझे लगा कि this is one of the best opportunity for people like us. हम लोग जैसे आदमी, मतलब जो लोग है जॉब में है या फिर from the middle class, this is one of the best opportunity. So क्यों, क्या है, क्या नहीं है, that part I will come. I've just shared you how I came across this opportunity. वो part मैंने आप लोगों के साथ share किया. So अभी I'll be talking about change. So जैसे कि मैंने बोला, yes, change is the only constant. अभी जैसे कि मान लीजिए, if I go to thousands of years back, जब mankind जन्म हुआ था, तो आप लोग ने स्कूल में पढ़ा होगा, evolution theory पढ़ा होगा. पहले बोला जाता है कि बंदर था, बंदर से आदमी का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ है. सो यस, दिस इज इवोल्यूशन. बट हाउ मैनकाइंड हैज इवॉल्व्ड, बिकॉज दे हैव एडॉप्टेड द चेंज. अभी मैं पुराना जमाना छोड़ देता हूँ, हार्डली मे बी 20-30 इयर्स बैक में चला जाता हूँ. जब मैं टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सेक्टर में आया था, तब वी हैड फीचर फोन. हम लोग के पास फीचर फोन था. आजकल फीचर फोन कौन यूज करता है? बहुत कम आदमी लोग ही यूज करते हैं. वी हैव डेवलप्ड इनटू स्मार्टफोन्स. हम लोग स्मार्टफोन में आ गए. एंड द फोन इज एक्चुअली द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज इन आवर हैंड, इफ यू से. हम लोग का बैंकिंग भी फोन से होता है, या फिर अपना एनी ट्रांजैक्शंस, day-to-day transaction is via phone. So we have seen a huge evolution that has actually evolved in our life. So ये चेंज है. अगर कोई बोल, मतलब ऐसे बैठा रहता कि नहीं मैं फीचर फोन ही यूज करूंगा, मैं क्या बोलते हैं, मोबाइल से कोई ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं करूंगा, ऐसा होता क्या? Definitely that will not never happen, right? Because this is something we have to adapt that, and if we want to survive, एक कहावत है कि सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट, मतलब एंड एडेप्टेबिलिटी, ये दो प्राइम थिंग है इन आवर लाइफ. उससे हम लोग का एक्चुअली व्हाट डू से, इट इज इनसेपरेबल फ्रॉम आवर लाइफ एक्चुअली. ठीक है. So yes, change is very much required. So उससे पहले going to further onto the main presentation, change के बारे में मैंने बोला आप लोगों को. Now अभी ये बिजनेस ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन आज मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ, इसमें I'll show you or I'll be sharing you few very common things that we are actually not very aware. हम लोग जानते हैं, जान के भी नहीं जानते, उसके बारे में मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करूंगा. 10-15 मिनट्स में मैं प्रेजेंटेशन पूरा शेयर करूंगा. जस्ट बी अटेंटिव. ठीक है. सो या यस, बिजनेस बोले तो हम लोग जानते हैं कि पैसा. ठीक है. अगेन हम लोग का अभी yes we are not into the business but yes we are earning something. Why do we earn? हम लोग क्यों इनकम करते हैं? yes, तो यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ लिस्ट बना के आप लोग को दिखाया है टू पे आवर बिल्स. अभी जैसे कि मान लीजिए हम लोग अगर x रुपीस इनकम करते हैं, मान लीजिए 100 रुपीस इनकम करते हैं, एक्सपेंडिचर देखिएगा मे बी 90-95 रुपीस होता है. एंड दोज एक्सपेंडिचर्स आर मेनली ऑन टू द बिल्स. जैसे कि हो गया आपका क्या बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल हो गया, आपका एनी EMIs हो गया. सो ऑल बिल्स आर बीइंग पेड थ्रू द सैलरी और द इनकम वी अर्न. ठीक है. देन कुछ पैसा हम लोग कॉन्टिजेंसीज के लिए सेव करते हैं, कुछ सेविंग्स करते हैं, कुछ अनफॉर्चुनेट अगर हो जाता है या फिर बीमार हो जाता है उसके लिए हम लोग कुछ सेव करते हैं. राइट. देन ऐसे ये दो मेजर चीज ही हम लोग कर सकते हैं, मतलब करते हैं नॉर्मली. लेकिन the other parameters, the other like quality time with family, then travel to the destination of choice, या फिर investment on good health, या फिर pursuing areas of interest. So these all aspects are actually ruled out from the income we earn. Yes, आज के डेट में I am earning a 6-figure income. It's a very good income. However, if I compare with the expenditure that I am actually incurring in today's date, that is high, because if you have to maintain a what do you say standard of living in today's society, the expenditure is high, definitely high. Yes, I purchased a car, that too on EMI. Yes, or I have constructed a house, that too on EMI. So yes, EMIs are going and it's equally true for everybody. लेकिन बाकी सारे चीज जैसे क्वालिटी टाइम विद फैमिली या फिर ट्रेवल टू डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ चॉइस, दिस बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट with the income that we earn. या फिर मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है, even I have also been victim to this. I've taken loan and I went abroad. So yes, these are some of the things we try to actually get it through the EMI. लेकिन life EMI बन जाने से बाकी stress levels भी आपका बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है. So yes, these are our ideal life or ideal dreams and desires that we want to fulfill. लेकिन आइडियली अगर मैं बोलूं ये हम लोग का फुलफिल होता नहीं है. क्यों नहीं होता है? बिकॉज द वे वी अर्न. अभी जो अर्निंग हम लोग का होता है उसके ऊपर में एक रेनाउंड इकोनॉमिस्ट ने बेसिकली ही हैज written a book how we earn basically. So if you see, there are 4 quadrants in which people earn. There are 4 different types of earnings basically. So he has divided the entire world in 4 quadrants. So first quadrant is E on the left. E means employee. जैसे कि हम लोग हैं, हम लोग जॉब में जाते हैं, हम लोग इनकम करते हैं. देन सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड यानी जो आपका खुद अपना खुद का, जैसे कि प्रोफेशनल्स है, डॉक्टर्स है, इंजीनियर्स है या फिर कोई लॉयर है. सो दोज आर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड. या फिर किसी का छोटा मोटा दुकान है, सो ही इज अ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड. बी मीन्स बिग बिजनेस ओनर. बिजनेस ओनर मीन्स people like Ambani's, Biani's, or maybe what do you say, builder. They are big businessmen. And the other category is investor. So in charo category mein, the interesting thing is that, and this was something which I came into, it came to my knowledge when I got associated with this business. ये मेरे को पहले मालूम था नहीं. We thought कि businessman मतलब कोई भी दुकान खोल लिया तो business हो गया है या फिर बिजनेसमैन है, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो बिजनेसमैन इज अ पर्सन हु हैज अ एम्प्लॉय बेस ऑफ मोर देन 500. सो ऐसा बिजनेसमैन में भी गुवाहाटी में अब अपना बहुत कम ही होगा. देन एम्प्लॉय, जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा था, एम्प्लॉय almost 95% of the people are either employed or self-employed. मतलब वो लोग entire people, अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि 100% of people are there, then 95% of people are in either E quadrant or S quadrant. That means employed or self-employed. लेकिन only 5% of the people are in B and I quadrant. That means they are either business owner or investors. Then money मतलब entire world का population का जितना पैसा है, 95% of the wealth is in the B and I quadrant, and only 5% of the wealth is in E and D S quadrant. So यहाँ पे देखा जाए ये interesting fact है actually. Then time, money and security, it's always limited in case of E and S quadrant, and it's always abundant in case of B and I quadrant. So मुझे जब ये किताब मुझे दिया गया था पढ़ने के लिए, so I read this particular chapter, and it was a real shock for me, and I started wondering कि can I go to the B quadrant? क्या मैं इस B quadrant में transition कर सकता हूँ? Yes, my mentor, who actually showed me this business, told that yes, definitely and surely you can go to the B quadrant. Yes, there are some system which you will have to follow, and you will get the way out to the B quadrant. कैसे काम करेगा, कैसे काम नहीं करेगा, I'll show in the subsequent slide. Now, say for being an idle business, normally क्या होता है, हम लोग जैसे कि मैं मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हूँ या फिर आई एम डूइंग ए जॉब, सो फॉर मी सेटिंग अप ए बिजनेस इज नॉट इजी. If I'll have to start up a business, a ideal business for me would be a something which is with low investment. Low investment में अगर कुछ मैं start कर सकता हूँ, then with zero infrastructure cost. अगर infrastructure cost, because you see any XYZ business, if you start, the infrastructure cost is the major part. Around 60-70% आपका infrastructure cost में ही चला जाता है. Then I'll have to keep staff रखना पड़ेगा. Then I'm doing a job. Along with that, I cannot leave my job and start a business because I cannot risk कि मेरा business काम करेगा नहीं करेगा. I do not know. So I cannot risk my job. It needs to be something flexible जो मैं flexible time में कर सकूँ. और risks अगर कम हो. So ये अगर components fulfill होता है, then that is an ideal business for me, right? And I'm very happy to share that this business opportunity, the business opportunity which I'm actually talking about, gives us all these features. Actually, it has all the salient features that I have talked about. It's a business with low investment, zero infrastructure cost. You do not have to put any staff for that, and you can build it in a flexible time, right? It's a good news for all of us, right? So yeah, तो ये business क्या है? So yes, this business is on a model called direct selling. ठीक है? And आप लोग Google में search कीजिए. Direct selling is one of the what do you say, leading opportunity for people, yes, to people all across the world to earn huge incomes actually. And in fact इसके बारे में, direct selling के बारे में जानने से पहले I'll just share you across how the traditional distribution method or the traditional selling method works. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे देखिए traditional method में क्या होता है. Normally एक manufacturer रहता है और एक customer रहता है, और in between there is a distribution channel. So distribution channel में क्या रहता है, आपका CNF रहता है, wholesaler रहता है, retailer रहता है, right? And once the product is manufactured in the company, it goes to the customer. So there is a 50 to 60% money which is being earned by the middleman में जो लोग हैं, और वो 100 रुपीज में कस्टमर के पास चला जाता है. So यहाँ पे the maximum profit earner is the middleman actually. आप लोग अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे यहाँ पे कस्टमर को कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं होता है. Now say for example, today I purchase something from the retailer shop. He gives me in the MRP, maximum retail price में मुझे देता है. He takes his profit. Similarly, wholesaler takes his profit, CNF takes his profit, and finally the manufacturer. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो a huge amount of money, actually 50 to 60% money ये middleman लेके चला जाता है. हम लोग के पास कुछ नहीं आता है. Now the beauty of direct selling is that here you can get back this 50 to 60% money, or you can be a equal partner with the company to earn this 50 to 60% money, right? So it's a good news for us. Normally ये 50 to 60% हम लोग के लिए आज के डेट में एक्सपेंडिचर हो रहा है, लेकिन we are getting an opportunity to get this money back to us, right? So yes, direct selling is a concept which actually started 50 to 60 years back in the world, or in fact direct selling का अगर मैं pioneer बोलता हूँ, the company which I'm talking about, which is the number one company in the world in the field of direct selling, and in India also it's in the number one position. And I'm very proud to introduce with you the company about which the business opportunity I'm sharing. That's Amway. And from last 8 years, Amway is being honored as the number one direct selling company by the Direct Selling News Global. You can search it in Google. Okay, so what are the facts of Amway? So these are some of the facts. हम लोग सुने हैं Amway का नाम, सब लोग सुने हैं, लेकिन there are many facts that I also didn't know, so that I'll be sharing you across. So globally, Amway started in the year almost 60 plus years इसका हो गया है. It operates in more than 100 countries. It has more than 800 patented products. Patented products means the products which you need to get. आप लोग वो भी आप लोग सर्च करके देखिए कि एक एक पेटेंट मिलने के लिए कितना टाइम और एनर्जी और कितना पैसा चाहिए. सो एक पेटेंट लेने के लिए इतना टाइम लगता है. 800 patents they already have, and more than 270 patents are already pending, right? They have a global turnover of 11.4 billion US dollar, a huge massive turnover, and they have paid out more than 4.3 lakh crores as globally as incentive to people like us. So actually they are sharing the profit along with the people like us, common people like us, with the business opportunity. India ka journey agar main bolta hu, it started in the year 1998. We do have a manufacturing plant in Madurai, which is a LEED Gold certified plant with a 600 crore investment, and they have already paid out more than 6,500 crores in India also till date. 20 साल में इतना पैसा already they have shared with people like us. So it's a wonderful opportunity that Amway is providing us. So ये मॉडल हम लोग दो चीज समझ में आ गया. मैंने बोला था मैं कैसे ये बिजनेस के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ. Second, I have shared you what is the concept. It's direct selling with Amway. Third part, I'll be covering in next 2 to 3 slides how the business actually works, right? So business कैसे काम करता है? Yes, this is a product based business. For any business, there should be product or services. Yes, it's a product based business. And on the left side, you can see some of the products maybe we are already using from the market. And equivalent products Amway के पास भी है in different segments, around 6-7 segments में world class products है. Now, अभी question है कि Amway का products का खासियत क्या है? The products are biodegradable in nature. Biodegradable मतलब ये आपका environment में कोई नुकसान नहीं करता है. Then next, it's backed by nature and science. Most important, these are with a 30 days money back guarantee. That means आपको कोई product अगर आपने खरीदा आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा, if you return within 30 days, you will get back the money. So it's a मतलब win-win situation for everybody. It's win-win situation for the user also and for the company also. And the different segments अगर मैं बोलता हूँ health and nutrition का एक बड़ा segment है, that is Nutrilite. Then home care, घर में यूज होने वाला, फर्श साफ करने वाला, कपड़ा धोने का, बर्तन धोने का, home care products. Then personal hygiene के लिए huge range is there. ठीक है, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, साबुन. Then skincare, there are two ranges, Attitude and Artistry. Artistry is again a super premium brand. Then we have durables, Amway Queen, wherein zero oil cooking is possible. Without a drop of oil, you can actually cook everything. Then air purifiers are there for your home, for your car, and there is a range of agricultural products. So huge range of products, more than 180 products already in India, and worldwide more than 500 products. And most importantly, Amway is giving us a business opportunity. हम लोग को एक business opportunity मिलता है. ठीक है. So products के बारे में मैं बहुत डिटेल में नहीं जा रहा हूँ, because our next speaker will show you the product and their actually demonstration, live demonstration with you. ठीक है. So now how the business model works. First of all, you can actually get associated with this company as a customer or as a business builder. So first, अगर आपको product अच्छा लगता है and you want to just try the products, you can get enroll yourself as a customer. You are called a preferred customer. You get the products in some discount, maybe 8 to 10% discount. Next, you want to earn some money, maybe 5,000 रुपया 6,000 रुपया आपको मंथली एक इनकम चाहिए. So you can get associated as ADR. ADR बोल के एक कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसमें you can earn, आप कुछ कस्टमर्स को आपने प्रोडक्ट खरीदा और कस्टमर्स को आपने सेल कर दिया, you are called a ADR. And third option is you make a huge business out of this. You are called ADS, that is Amway Direct Seller. और उसके लिए लेकिन एमवे डायरेक्ट सेलर होने के लिए आपको लेकिन कुछ काम करना पड़ेगा. तो वो क्या काम करना है? फर्स्ट काम जो करना है, दैट इज यू विल हैव टू चेंज योर शॉप. यस, पहले मैंने बोला था चेंज कुछ. देयर इज एक्चुअली फेमस सेइंग दैट doing the same thing and expecting different result is actually insanity. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Nothing, no meal is free in this world actually. ठीक है. So we'll have to do something. So first तो easy काम है, we'll have to change our market. जो already आपके घर में products आ रहा है, जो आपका मान लीजिए टूथपेस्ट, साबुन, शैम्पू वगैरह वगैरह आ रहा है, जिससे आपको कोई इनकम नहीं आ रहा है आज के डेट में, you will have to change your market and get the Amway products. ठीक है. And start using those. I do not say that you start using all the 180 products. Start with some products and get the experience. Once you love the products, and you'll be loving the products, there is no doubt. I have been user of these products, and my entire family is the user. Just a example I'm just giving in maybe 30 seconds. My father is a diabetic patient from maybe 20 years or so on insulin, high insulin dose. I started giving him one of the wonder products, that is Madhunasni from the Nutrilite family. And within a span of maybe 2 to 3 months, his along with insulin, his levels, which was far higher, came to normal ranges, and doctor was shocked. And he eventually we had to reduce the insulin doses. So these are wonder products, and these are something which is the experience. We are actually getting a live experience from the products, and that is the story that we share with our friend circle, our community of our social circle maybe. So yes, you start using the products and share the products and the opportunity with your known circle, and धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, आपका एक customer network build होगा, and eventually from those customers somebody will be interested to build a business. They will become the business owner. ठीक है. और धीरे धीरे करके आपका बिजनेस ग्रो होना शुरू होगा. ये एक दिन में होगा, 10 दिन में होगा? नो, it will take time, maybe 3 years, maybe 5 years. You'll have to maybe make a project plan कि मुझे 3 साल में 5 साल में कुछ एक मतलब एक बिजनेस बिल्ड अप करना है. So you will have to decide कितना दिन में आप ये बिजनेस को बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं. अभी जब आप बिजनेस बिल्ड करोगे, you will get external helps जो normal conventional business में नहीं होता है. You get 3 helps. The first help you get from Amway. Amway provides you all the digital trainings, all the product delivery training, warehousing, staff management. ये सब headache झंझट आपका है नहीं. आपको कस्टमर को कुछ प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, they will give a online order, it will be getting delivered in their home. ठीक है. आपको कुछ headache नहीं लेना है. Second, there is a team who is actually coaching you, mentoring you to build this business step by step. Now, any successful people you see, you search it in Google. All the successful people in the world have a mentor. मतलब अभी आप Sachin Tendulkar is a successful cricketer. He do have a mentor who guides him to actually play how to play. So यहाँ पे भी आपको step by step guide करने के लिए एक mentor है. हम लोग का कॉमन आदमी का क्या है, मैं सब जानता हूँ. So सब जानने से लेकिन हम लोग का नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. So we'll have to learn, we'll have to change ourselves. Then third thing, there is a education system, BWW, wherein you get online there is an app, you get online audio video streamings which will actually eventually guide you across how to build this business. ठीक है, ये 3 external help आपको मिलेगा. I'm just rushing through, and these are some of the categories in which you can actually earn. So first आपका जो income है, that is retail discount. MRP के ऊपर once you do the registration, you get a 10% discount, and that 10% discount is 8 to 10% discount is applicable for both customer as well as the business owner. Customer gets only this 10% discount. The rest percentage are not applicable to the customer. However, if you are building in a business, then you are eligible, or you can avail all this what do you say, the percentage levels. So second is trade discount. Based on your entire business of the month, your individual business, you get a 10% discount, which comes back to your account. Next, based on your turnover, since it is a business, you'll have to do turnover, and based on your turnover, there are sales commissions starting from 3% to 21%. And this is again a business of building builders, business of building leaders. So you get a leadership commission once new leaders are in your entire organization. So that starts from 6% to 19%. So these are all the different commissions that you get. So I'll not go to all these leadership bonus and all. I'll just show you how the sales commission comes. Sales commission आपका कैसे आता है? मैं just एक दो example में मैं दिखाता हूँ. So first example, see, say you're the first person and you get interested to build this business. Say आपका घर का खुद का requirement कुछ 3-4-5 हजार रुपए का आपका खुद का requirement था, और आपका 2-3 customer आपने आपके साथ एसोसिएट किया, एंड यू डू ए टोटल टर्नओवर ऑफ ओनली 10,000. आप पान वाला को भी पूछिए आज के डेट में, वो एक महीना में लाख रुपए के ऊपर टर्नओवर करता है. हम लोग जस्ट 10,000 रुपीज टर्नओवर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो 10,000 रुपीज भी अगर टर्नओवर होता है, यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर गेटिंग ए 1800 अराउंड 1800 to 2,000 rupees of income, which is a good income actually. आज के डेट में your expenditure is not yielding you anything, लेकिन यहाँ पे you are getting a chance to get back that money, right? It's a good thing. Say this is the first month, just starting off. धीरे धीरे करके down the line in 2 to 3 months आप business को सीखिए. You get associated with the team, and with the help of the team, and you start getting in touch with your contact list. आपका जो contact list है, you get associated, start connecting them, and मान लीजिए 10 family का एक team बन गया आपका, right? And you are doing the same turnover. You are doing only a 10,000 rupees of turnover, and all other 10 families are also doing the same thing. वो लोग भी 10,000 रुपया का ही टर्नओवर करते हैं. However, the combined turnover is around 1 lakh, and 1 lakh rupees का जब टर्नओवर होगा, you are eligible for getting a 6% around 6% commission. 6% commission में आपका मोटा मोटी 6,000 to 6,500 rupees अर्न कर सकते हैं. A yearly income of around 80,000 rupees. वही चीज आप अगर एक साल तक करते रहते हैं, you can actually get 80,000 rupees. आज के डेट में आपका घर में कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन when you get associated with a small team of 10, only 10 people, I'm just saying, you are getting a 6,000 rupees turnover घर में बैठ I think so 6,000 rupees is not a small amount. आज के डेट में with this maybe you can pay off your electricity bill. I'm just giving an example, right? Say yes, आपका इतना आना शुरू हो गया, you become confident and you say that I want to build it more. Maybe down the line in next 1 to 2 years, मैं और एक example दिखाता हूँ. 100 families get associated with you. Maybe the first 10 families you introduce the first 10 families, and those 10 families in turn associated another 10 or 15. Just average, I'm giving an example. Just this is a hypothetical example. I'm not going into very much detail. So 100 families का एक team बन जाता है, all and everybody is doing the same thing. Only 10,000 rupees का ही turnover कर रहे हैं. Average I'm saying. So you are doing a 10 lakh rupees of turnover in a month, and you are eligible for getting a monthly income of 1 lakh rupees. आपको आपका जॉब नहीं छोड़ना है. आपका बिजनेस नहीं छोड़ना है, आप जो कर रहे हैं उसको कुछ नहीं करना है। आपका जो अनप्रोडक्टिव टाइम है, शाम को जो हम लोग फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप या फिर इंस्टाग्राम में हम लोग ऑलरेडी टाइम, या फिर नेटफ्लिक्स में हम लोग ऑलरेडी टाइम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, टाइम इज समथिंग, जैसे कि पैसा आप जमा करके रख सकते हैं, टाइम आप बैंक में नहीं रख सकते हैं। टाइम तो खर्चा होने वाला ही है, एक दिन में 24 आवर्स ही रहता है, उसको आप जैसे कैरी फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो दैट वी आर एक्चुअली वेस्टिंग द टाइम। लॉट ऑफ द मतलब many of the times we see that we are wasting the time, so वो unproductive time को हम लोग productive कर सकते हैं by talking to people or showing this business opportunity. So 1 लाख रुपीस, अभी मैं अगर इस 1 लाख रुपीस में मैं थोड़ा 1 मिनट स्ट्रेस देना चाहूंगा। In order to earn a 1 lakh rupees of net income in any job per se, आपका मिनिमम, आई एम सेइंग इन ए मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी, आपका 15 साल से ऊपर एक्सपीरियंस होना पड़ेगा, दैट टू इन ए गुड मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी। एनी एक्सवाइजेड अगर कंपनी में भी आप काम करते हैं, 15 साल एक्सपीरियंस होने से भी आपका इतना नहीं होगा, प्लस यू विल हैव टू हैव दैट क्वालिफिकेशन आल्सो। बट हियर यू डू नॉट रिक्वायर ए स्पेशल क्वालिफिकेशन। आपका मान लीजिए आप ऑलरेडी 50,000 60,000 अर्न कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ अगर 1 लाख रुपया एक्स्ट्रा आता है डाउन द लाइन इन 3 years, how good it would be? You will have the choice whether you do your primary profession or not, right? So yes, जब आपका 10 lakhs rupees का टर्नओवर होता है, you are called a silver producer. This is a slab in this business, and you continue it for 1 year. You are called founders platinum. यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है just average income. Founders platinum में you earn around 8.8 lakhs of package, yearly package. I'm just giving a here we are showing just a conservative figure. People earn more than that, almost double. आज कोर प्लस बोल के एक नया हम लोग का जो इंसेंटिव प्रोग्राम है, उसमें पीपल अर्न मोर, मे बी डबल ऑफ दिस, अराउंड 15 lakhs. MRL बोल के एक पोजीशन है जिसमें यू हेल्प 3 पीपल टू गो प्लेटिनम, जो मैं बोल रहा था लीडरशिप डेवलप करने का, जो बेसिकली एक आपको कमीशन मिलता है. सो इन एमरल लेवल यू गेट लीडरशिप बोनसेस आल्सो. एमरल का मंथली इनकम यू सी 2.5 lakhs. कॉर्पोरेट लेवल में 2.5 lakhs इनकम करने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव ए ह्यूज एक्सपीरियंस, प्लस आपका हेडेक ऑफ हैंडलिंग ए ह्यूज टीम, जो हेडेक है, आई नो द पेन. आई हैव सीन माय सीनियर्स, एंड इनफैक्ट आज के डेट में किसी को 2.5 lakhs इनकम अगर अर्न करना पड़े, लीव ऐसे 2.5 लाख, 1 लाख आपका 1.5 लाख रुपया भी अर्न करना पड़े, उसको कितना पापड़ बेलना पड़ेगा, ही ओनली नोस, right? Next level there is a called diamond, and there are many levels. I'm not going into those things. I'm just confining into platinum level only. Platinum level में अगर कोई भी इंसान अगर around 70, 80, 90,000 भी earn करता है monthly income, it's a very good income. Once you are platinum, you are qualified for free foreign trips for you and your family. अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि फॉरेन ट्रिप जाने के लिए आदमी लोग क्या बोलते हैं, लोन लेके जाते हैं. यहाँ पे आपको फ्री फॉरेन ट्रिप्स मिल रहे हैं, राइट? So this was the entire presentation. The last 2 slides I will just be showing some of the successful people already in this business. आपको लग सकता है कि I am exaggerating the things or something like that. I do not know. लेकिन आप लोग again investigate कीजिए. These are some already successful people in this business. They were already very, very successful in their prime profession, and they started this business and became successful. Kantikala Latagala, they were PhD and research scientists. Harbhajan and Mohinder Bridge, very, very successful doctors of Canada. उन लोग का खुद का हॉस्पिटल कनाडा में था. Kulin Desai, ex-VP of Citibank, he was in USA. Eventually, he quit his job because he had an income in millions. He became a millionaire through this business, actually. Sumit Tania Bahadur, IIT passed out, IIT Delhi passed out. Priyambat Kumar, IAS officer. Ankur Gupta, chief designer from again IIT Delhi. Then Ankur Nidhi Agarwal, they were MBA professionals. Dharmender Meenakshi Rana, they were electronics engineers, MBAs. So diverse background of people already being successful in this business. मैंने जब इन लोगों को देखा, मुझे लगा कि अगर ये लोग इतना सक्सेसफुल होके ये बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, why not me? And I do have a feeling that it's something, क्या बोलूं, ये बिजनेस सक्सेस होने के लिए हम लोग को एक पाथ ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है, ऑलरेडी ये सक्सेसफुल पीपल हम लोग के लिए रास्ता बना के रखे हैं, वी जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो, ठीक है। So just recap of all the facts and figures I say. Yes, it's a home-based business, unique home-based business actually. Normal business में क्या होता है, आपको 24 hours में 12-14 घंटा आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, लेकिन यहाँ पे इन्वॉल्वमेंट क्या है, वेरी मिनिमम योर पार्ट टाइम इन्वॉल्वमेंट, योर फ्लेक्सिबल टाइम इन्वॉल्वमेंट, ठीक है। देन विथ ए वेरी मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट, आपका बहुत बड़ा पैसा यहाँ पे नहीं लगाना है, मे बी 5-10,000 रुपीज से आप ये बिजनेस स्टार्टअप कर सकते हैं। देन पीपल फ्रॉम एनी बैकग्राउंड, आपको डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं है, मतलब वो क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं चाहिए आपको, एनीबॉडी एंड एवरीबॉडी विथ ओनली 18 years प्लस कैन बिल्ड दिस बिजनेस टू द एज ऑफ डेथ, जब तक मर ना जाए ये बिजनेस है, ठीक है। देन इट कैन गिव यू ए रेसिडुअल और रिकरिंग इनकम। इसमें मैं और 2 मिनट में स्पेयर करना चाहूंगा। जैसे कि मान लीजिए हम लोग के लिए एसेट हम लोग या फिर जो हम लोग बोलते हैं संपत्ति, एसेट क्या होता है, जैसे कि मान लीजिए आपने एक घर बना लिया और आपका मंथली एक रिकरिंग आपके पास भाड़ा आता रहता है, दैट इज ए एसेट। आपने एक गाड़ी खरीद लिया, उसको भाड़े में लगा दिया, उसको भाड़े से आपको इनकम आ रहा है, दैट इज ए एसेट फॉर यू। नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग हियर अबाउट ह्यूमन एसेट। यहाँ पे हम लोग एक अपना नेटवर्क बनाते हैं, नेटवर्क ऑफ पीपल, वी कनेक्ट विद पीपल, वी क्रिएट ए नेटवर्क एंड इवेंचुअली वो नेटवर्क बड़ा होता जाता रहता है, एंड दैट इज एसेट फॉर अस, एंड दैट एक्चुअली गिव्स अस ए रेसिडुअल इनकम फॉर आवर लाइफ, फॉर आवर जनरेशंस टू कम, ठीक है। Again, it's a global business, it's not confined to a geographical boundary. You sitting in Guwahati can build business anywhere, any place in India, any country, all the 100 countries, wherever Amway is available, and there are no headaches, no infrastructure costs, no staff, no SCM overheads, okay. So this was the entire recap of the entire presentation. Coming to the last slide, yes, any worthwhile thing requires investment. यहाँ पे हम लोग ह्यूज मनी इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में नहीं बोल रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ टाइम। यस, देयर इज ए इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ टाइम, मे बी 10-12 hours ए वीक, आई एम नॉट सेइंग डेली। आपका जब फ्लेक्सिबल टाइम, मे बी मंडे टू फ्राइडे यू आर वेरी बिजी, यू कैन यूज द सैटरडेज एंड संडेज, और मे बी एवरी डे 1 hour 2 hours यू विल हैव टू टॉक विद पीपल। यहाँ पे हम लोग के लिए the business, for any business per se, the main thing is customer, so we'll have to get in touch with the customers. So for us, our community is our customer actually. Then we need to be accountable and teachable. Yes, kuch seek, matlab we should be good for our words, we should be teachable. हम लोग को सीखने का मतलब you need to get yourself changed. The things and the education or the things we know will not be valid for this business. यहाँ पे हम लोग को थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा सीखना पड़ेगा। Willing to associate it every week या फिर every fortnightly हम लोग का मीटिंग्स होता है, हम लोग का सक्सेसफुल पीपल का ऑलरेडी सेमिनार्स होता है। You will have to get associated with the team. अकेले साइलो में ये बिजनेस नहीं होगा, right? You'll have to get associated, and finally identify your reason why you will build this business. अगर आप लोग जो कर रहे हैं that is worthwhile for you, you need not do this business. For me, the reason was a backup income. अभी मान लीजिए जॉब अच्छा है, लेकिन we know the job scenario. अभी कोविड के टाइम में कितना लोगों का नौकरी चला गया, right? Overnight people का नौकरी चला गया, and the people who had jobs, their salaries were curtailed, right? रातों रात कोई इंडस्ट्री बंद हो गया। So we never know. आज के डेट में जब एंड ऑफ द मंथ सैलरी घुसता है, सबको सब मतलब कॉम्प्लेसेंट हो जाता है कि यस अच्छा सैलरी आ रहा है, हो जाएगा, लेकिन मतलब you never know, it's very unpredictable. And if somebody is thinking कि नहीं मैं डाउन द लाइन 5 साल के बाद या फिर रिटायरमेंट के बाद में कुछ करूंगा, forget it, because time is right here right now, ठीक है। So for me the reason was a backup income. Agar aaj ke date mein I am earning a 6-figure income, down the line in next 1 year I should have a 6-figure income, so that I have the flexibility. Job agar idhar udhar kuch bhi ho jaye, I have the flexibility, my family shouldn't suffer. So that was my reason. You identify your reason why you'll be building this business. So with this I am concluding my presentation, and over to the host. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Rupam Bhuya. That was such a super exciting session, and I hope everybody is geared up for a new change. As he rightly said, change is the only constant. Like change, a simple example, like हम पहले लोगों से मिलते थे, we were social. हमें ये डिजिटलाइजेशन थोड़ा सा मतलब हमें रास नहीं आ रहा था, बट एज जो भी सिचुएशन अभी आया, लाइक द कोविड सिचुएशन, हर जगह आप सुनोगे ही, पीपल आर टॉकिंग लाइक दिस कोविड सिचुएशन, एवरीथिंग, ये दिस दैट एवरीथिंग, one word you listen means frequently is change, because people have converted from means offline to online things. अभी मीटिंग्स भी वर्चुअल हो रहे हैं. सो कितना हमें जो नेगेटिव्स है उसको छोड़ दीजिए. Let us forget the negatives and take what is positive. You see, through this digitalization, we can connect to so many people at us, means at the same time. And in a nutshell, if I say, the जो भी business presentation अभी हमें रूपम भैया जी से दिखाई दिया, अगर मैं I'm also doing that business, और अभी मुझे मतलब इनके जैसे ही मैं इनके presentation के through जा रही थी, तो I recall my reason, because see, everybody has to have a reason for joining this business, right? And मैं गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में जॉब करती थी. पीपल हैव द दिस फैंटेसी, यू नो, दैट गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज वंस यू आर इन अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब, योर लाइफ इज सेट, सिक्योर. बट इट्स टाइम कि आप लोग उस फैंटेसी से निकल के आए, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट जॉब भी अभी इतना आसान नहीं है. यू हैव टू इक्वली पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं. एंड द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल थिंग इन दिस बिजनेस इज आपको यहाँ पे यू गेट इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी. You don't get, you get, actually here you get helping hands. People guide you how to earn. Have you ever heard कि चलो हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि कैसे इनकम करना है, how we are leading a better life, let us help you build a better life. So ये जो एक है ना, ये एक actually सुनने में बहुत ही rare है कि people are helping you to earn and make your life better, from better to best. So ये सिर्फ एक ही जगह पे मिलेगा, यहाँ मिलेगा. And that is why this Amway company is the leading, as we have already seen the facts and figures. और best के साथ तो हमेशा best ही होता है. So we are in a very beautiful place, we are in a very right place. और अभी जैसे कि during the plan you have seen कि this is this business is backed by products. We have a huge range of products which आपने थोड़ा सा हिंट तो देख ही लिया होगा. सो अभी अगर हम प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करें तो थोड़ा सा मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. हमारे already our speaker have already told you about the categories. So very means in a quick time I'll just introduce you with the products. So coming to the very first range, the Nutrilite, which is the world's leading brand of supplements. Leading brand of supplements. Do not confuse with medicines. These are supplements. तो अभी supplements like see again यहाँ पे change का बात आता है. We all know कि हमारी immunity strong होनी चाहिए. But when did we realize? As soon as this situation came. हजारों सालों से सभी बोलते आ रहे हैं कि once your immunity is strong, you can fight any kind of diseases. You will stay healthy. See, health is wealth, we all know, but how many of us do we really invest in our health? So these Nutrilite supplements, they give you what is best for you, what your body is lacking, and that too in a natural way, backed by science. Okay, so we have our own Nutralite farms, as you have already seen in the plan, so I will not go further with that. सिंपली अगर मैं बोलूं कि फाउंडेशन लाइक जैसे हमने कहा कि फाउंडेशन, एक घर का फाउंडेशन अगर स्ट्रांग है तो वो घर नहीं टूटेगा. सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग विथ आवर बॉडी. हम लोग का बॉडी का फाउंडेशन, इफ आवर फाउंडेशन इज स्ट्रांग, देन we will be able to fight any kind of diseases. During this COVID situation, we were also out. It's not like that कि we were sitting at home and just to a certain extent, when the full lockdown was there, we were at home, but we were able to keep ourselves fit because our immunity is at the top. I will say at the top because see, none of us means lots and lots of people were victims of this COVID virus, but not the people whose immune system was strong. So then इसी वक्त आता है कि आपका फाउंडेशन, बॉडी का फाउंडेशन ठीक है कि नहीं. सो फॉर दैट वी ऑल नो दैट प्रोटीन इज सो मच इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी. और प्रोटीन एक इतना इम्पोर्टेंट एक व्हाट विल आई से एंजाइम और व्हाट प्रोटीन एक इतना मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे बॉडी के लिए, बट आवर बॉडी डज नॉट स्टोर दैट. सो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि वी हैव टू टेक इट regularly at a regular time, regular base, we have to take it. लेकिन हम लोग का मतलब we have a wrong concept that if you take enough protein, we will gain weight. So many reasons are there for which people avoid taking protein. But if the protein you are taking is from a good source, a natural source, then your body is getting what it is needed and at the accurate level, accurate amount it is getting. And Nutralite protein powder is an all plant protein powder. People with serious condition, health conditions like who have this E diseases, they can also take, because at some point of see, we know that protein is the building block. Okay, simple. if मैं अगर हम बच्चों की मतलब नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में भी बात करें तो हमें पता चलता है कि प्रोटीन हमारे सेहत के लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बच्चे से लेकर बुजुर्ग तक, एवरीबॉडी नीड्स प्रोटीन, सबों के लगे. देन व्हाई आर वी सो मींस हम अपने आप को क्यों रोक के रहते हैं थोड़े से मतलब की बोली कम भूल धारणा, रॉन्ग कंसेप्ट एक हम पाल के रहते हैं, और उसके लिए हम सफर क्या कौन करता है, हम लोग का शरीर. एंड व्हेन if the main person of the family is sick, the whole family suffers. ये घर घर की कहानी है. So it's time to change. नए को adopt कीजिए and see, नया नहीं है ये concept, पर अभी लोगों को समझ में आना शुरू हुआ है because we went through an adversity. That is why we were able to understand it more better. Then next product in the foundation comes, foundation level comes Daily. Nutralite Daily is a multivitamin which has 13 vitamins and 11 minerals in that. एक आप tablet लीजिए, you get what everything your body needs every day. So that is why its name itself says Nutralite Daily. As you can see, मैं बहुत quickly मतलब आप लोगों को just परिचय करवा रही हूँ products के साथ. The next product comes in the foundation category. It is Salmon Omega-3. Omega-3 is the good fat जो हमारे बॉडी को requirement from hair to nails, from hair to your toenails, our body requires omega-3 है, जिसके means deficiency of which leads to various diseases. Now if I there is another range in our this Nutralite, that is the kids range. किड्स रेंज के बारे में मैं थोड़ा सा बात करूंगी बिकॉज आई एम अ मदर ऑफ अ 5-year-old चाइल्ड एंड आई विल डू द बेस्ट फॉर माई चाइल्ड. उसके लिए बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट खाना, बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट, एवरीथिंग शुड बी बेस्ट. देन व्हाई नॉट द न्यूट्रिशन? Or when we are talking about Nutralite, it is the #1 brand, so I will definitely choose the best brand for my child. So, and I can recommend it and I can means endorse it, or I can tell you with full confidence, because my child is taking the products from Nutrilite. You can see this is the chocolate drink. I never give her any other beverages with milk, without milk. I make it sure that she has to take chocolate drink जिसमें पूरे vitamins, minerals, whatever her body needs, because kids are growing day by day, कि उनको बहुत ज्यादा मतलब न्यूट्रिशन की जरूरत होती है. सो आई मेक इट मीन्स 100% क्लियर कि उसको उसका जितना भी रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके बॉडी का न्यूट्रिशन उसको पूरा मिले. बिकॉज सी इफ आई मेक हर स्ट्रॉन्ग एनफ टू फाइट फॉर द डिजीजेस, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि इट्स नॉट लाइक कि पीपल हु आर टेकिंग न्यूट्रीलाइट डज नॉट फॉल इल एनी टाइम. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. हम भी बीमार होते हैं लेकिन हम बहुत जल्दी ठीक होते हैं. ठीक है. और क्योंकि हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग होने के कारण हमारा क्या होता है कि हम बहुत जल्दी बीमारी को हरा देते हैं. एंड दिस कोल्ड एंड फ्लू, सर्दी खांसी, तो दिस इज नथिंग फॉर अस. और हम उसको इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से कैसे बोल सकते हैं? बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग इट daily as per recommendation, we are taking it. Then the next thing I give my child is the kids chewable multivitamins. जैसे बड़ों के लिए चाहिए, same thing the kids also need it. Then there are iron, then natural C. Natural C is so important. Vitamin C nowadays you can listen it from every mouth to mouth. It is means we can hear it. The natural C is important. Immune system को strong कीजिए. Some of the words which I am repeating again and again are the need of the time now. Immune system strong hona hi hoga. So next, very quickly coming to the other section, that is the herbal range. Best of means Ayurveda. Indian people always crave for Ayurveda because we have a long history with that. So here with Nutrilite also we have so many good products. तुलसी बहुत ही important है for the this thing immunity के लिए. Again I am repeating the word. Here you, with one tablet of tulsi, you get the benefit of 100 dried leaves of tulsi. Now how many of people actually takes 100 dried leaves of tulsi? और अगर ले भी लिया तो किसी के पास होगा इतना पेड़? हमें तो दिया जलाने के लिए एक पेड़ चाहिए ही, उससे तो हम कभी भी तोड़ेंगे नहीं. So we have a lot of superstitions and we have a lot of, see, this is superstition plus belief मिलके हम लोगों को बहुत सारे चीजों में रोक देते हैं. And now it's time, here again the word change comes. Okay, so moving on from the herbal range, we have a very beautiful range in skincare. People who have skin must do skincare. So skin के लिए हमारे पास we have two ranges. One is the range for the teenage groups, that is Attitude, and the other is the group for everyone. This is unisex products. As you can see, we have daily care, we have weekly care, we have special care, we have colors, we have treatment, everything A to Z, whatever you want, you will get here. So best of the best we are giving, again backed by science. And whatever Amway company is giving you, you get in each and every product, you get 100% satisfaction guarantee with 30 days money back guarantee. Now, I don't know how many of the companies can give you that thing, right? Company is so much confident because they have these products are made in the own certified Nutrilite farms. The raw materials are taken from the farms. So there is, from seed to the product, everything is controlled by the company. So that is why there is no need to worry. Only thing we have to do is we have to use it and look beautiful, stay healthy. That is the thing we have to do. And when we come to the business aspect, you have to share the products and see. We love to share good things with people. So स्किन केयर जैसा मैंने बताया, देखिए people have see people are nowadays more aware about health and skincare as well. Be it what do you say? Both the genders. It's not the skincare is only for the ladies. No, anybody who has skin should do skincare. So it means combines everything. So from daily care, just now see some of you will say कि कहाँ इतना time है. 3 minutes if you want to look good, if you want to means make your skin healthy, you have to spare at least 3 minutes for your skin, and उतना time सबके पास है, right? So the basic care के लिए we just need 3 minutes. और उसके बाद as per your skin requirement, we have the products I have already mentioned. So as per your requirement, you can use. Okay, so next category we come is the home care range, जो एक घर को साफ सुथरा क्या कहते हैं डिजीज फ्री, राइट, उसको रखने के लिए हमारे पास है प्रोडक्ट्स, अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स है. यू सी होम केयर में एक घर फ्रॉम वॉशिंग, डिश वॉशिंग से लेके लॉन्ड्री से लेके फ्लोर से लेके एवरीथिंग वी हैव in देखिए आज this is we have so much limited time, so we for each and every segment we actually need one sessions of minimum 1 hour. So today it will not be possible that I'll show you all the products of each and every range. So I'm just trying to make you aware of some of the products. Like for laundry, we have liquid detergent that this is called SA8 Gelzyme. Okay, so जैसे ही हम products के बारे में जान रहे हैं, I'll show you a quick demo of how the SA8 Gelzyme is safe for our skin, safe for the environment, safe for our pocket as well. Because whatever we need, value for money तो बनता है, right? So अभी आपने देखा कि I'll just show you a quick demo. 2 glasses I have taken, 2 glass मैंने लिया है. इसमें I'll put water. Two glasses with water. In one, I'll put SA8 Gelzyme. And this SA8 Gelzyme is so much unique because the requirement is only 1 ml in 1 liter of water. So this comes in a concentrated form. Every product comes in concentrated form. You have to dilute it as per your requirement. So I'll just put 1 drop of SA8 liquid Gelzyme, and in another SA8 Gelzyme, and in another glass I will put the market brand, any market brand that comes in powdered form. I hope everybody knows. And for the market brand, we don't have any measurement. So now I will stir both the glasses. I'll try to dissolve. I'll try to mix the detergent here, and SA8 Gelzyme, as it is liquid, see, this is crystal clear. You can see such a clear, it dissolves with water, right? And if I show you both the glasses, you will see that the difference is, see, I don't have to mention it again. This is, it dissolves with water, and here we have these industrial fillers here. If I soak the powder overnight, then also the dissolve, because the market brands are, the product is mixed with industrial fillers that can be chicken bone dust or stone dust, anything which increases the weight, so that you do not pay for a kg, but the product is actually you don't get that amount of the thing. So now we know before I come to the end of this demo, I'll just mention that each and every product of Amway it it follows 3 E's. The products are effective. Whatever the product promises, you will get done. Then the products are ecological. It mixes with the environment, doesn't cause any harmful effect on the environment, and it is economic. Value for money you get, because see, all the products comes in concentrated form. So you have this one bottle, you can make 3 bottles of 3 half-liter bottles. So paying for one and you are getting 3. But here what happens? We are paying for one and we are getting half. Just simple equation is there. So we know that turmeric is a natural dye. When turmeric is mixed with water, the color doesn't change. So I'll mix turmeric in both the glasses and see. Now we will stir and now see what happens. See, the products which Amway gives you are ecological. These are natural products. You can see the difference. As the more time it stays like this, the darker the shade will become. So what is happening here? Actually here the chemical reaction is happening, but here you see as SAA gelzyme is a natural enzyme, liquid enzyme, it doesn't cause any chemical reaction. So what do we get from here is that the reaction, chemical reaction, this industrial filler stays in your cloth. It comes in contact with our skin, and what happens? We get irritation in the skin or something, some other skin problems. So that was the SAA gelzyme laundry detergent. Again, this winter season, during this winter season, one of the things which we all do not want to do is do the dishes. बर्तन धोना किसी को पसंद नहीं है, सर्दियों में चाहे गर्मियों में हो, सर्दियों में तो और भी पसंद नहीं है. But here, यहाँ भी आपके लिए हम काम आसान कर रहे हैं, because here we have dish drops, जो again एक liquid and मतलब dish washing gel है, जिसको हम अपने हिसाब से ऐसे measuring bottles में we get to mix this as per our requirement, and we have to use. You keep the concentrated bottle aside and you mix the solution as per your requirement. Now see, I'll show a quick demo of this so that from बर्तन धोने से हिचकिचाना थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा, because see, in winters we have one more problem, that when we do the dishes with this Pars and the other market brands, we develop problems in our hands. So I have seen people who cannot whose hands used to get whose hands bleed because as a result of this reaction with the bars and the other things. So this drop which we have from Amway is made here we have coconut oil derivatives, we have alpha hydroxy serum here. See, coconut oil derivatives we are generally used for skincare products, but here we have in the dishwashing product also. So that because the company is thinking about your taking care of your hands, so each and every brand section you will get the word care, health care, home care, personal care, skin care, every section in every segment that word care is associated. So coming back to this drops demo, here I'll take a spoon, stainless steel spoon. I'll take some mustard oil. I hope you can see this is mustard oil, and I'll put some drops of mustard oil in the spoon. Now what I'll do, I'll put this drop in the spoon and I'll just see, I won't rub. I hope this demonstration would be more visible with means if you could have been able to do it face to face, but still bear with me, bear with the digitalization, and just I'll give you a small idea. Just हल्का सा हाथ लगाना है, हल्का सा हाथ लगाना है, and without even water, see मैंने अभी तक इसको पानी से धोया भी नहीं, और you can see here it is sparkling clean. And बर्तन धोने के बाद क्या होता है हाथों का? सूखा. The hands get dried, and what we do, we immediately run to apply some moisturizer in our hands, right? So कंपनी ने उसके लिए भी आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें सोच के बना के रखी हुई है. Here this is the GNH body lotion which comes in the personal care range, और इसको आप अप्लाई करेंगे. पर्सनल केयर रेंज में एक बहुत ही मतलब फ्रॉम एज आवर फॉर्मर स्पीकर मिस्टर रूपम भूया हैज ऑलरेडी सेड कि टूथपेस्ट टूथब्रश से लेकर एवरीथिंग व्हाटएवर योर बॉडी नीड्स इज हियर. सो नॉट गोइंग इन डिटेल, आई विल जस्ट शो यू कि ये जो GNH बॉडी लोशन है, ये है आपका ग्लिसरीन और हनी से बना हुआ, हनी कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द ऑरेंज ऑर्चर्ड्स. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी हनी लिया और उठा दिया. इतना रिसर्च किया है कि जो ऑरेंज ऑर्चर्ड से मतलब मधुमक्खियां हनी बनाती हैं, दैट इज फार बेटर फॉर योर स्किन. तो what is the difference between this I mean GNH body lotion and other lotions? See, this GNH body lotion, if I apply it on my skin, a little amount, and I rub it like this, see, it quickly penetrates into your skin. I don't know how visible this is, but उसके लिए आपको इसको मतलब लगाना पड़ेगा. You have to means apply it so that you can feel the, आपको भी वही मतलब फीलिंग मिले जो अभी मुझे मिल रहा है, एकदम मखमली मुलायम जो बोलते हैं ना हम, सॉफ्ट एंड सिल्की स्मूथ. सी, इट एब्जॉर्ब्स इनटू योर स्किन. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऊपर ऊपर ही काम कर लिया एंड आफ्टर 1 hour फिर से यहाँ पे यू कैन राइट ABCD ऑल द अल्फाबेट्स. नो, हियर this GNH body lotion penetrates into your skin, it gets absorbed and it keeps you moisturized for the whole day. दिन में 2 बार ही लगाना है. This is, see, again हमें 2 बार ही लगाना है, बार बार लगाने का झंझट भी नहीं है. So quickly moving on to the next hair care range, we have a hair care range also. स्पेशली मैं हेयर केयर रेंज के लिए क्यों बोल रही हूँ, इट कम्स अंडर द पर्सनल केयर रेंज बिकॉज सर्दियों में बहुत सारे लोगों को weak range है. You have dandruff, if you have colored hair problems, if you have gray hair, everything, if your hair is frizzy, everything, we have a solution here. The only thing यहाँ से ले जाने का बात ये है कि you have to get in touch again with the person who has sent you this link. ये लिंक जिसने आपको फॉरवर्ड किया है, आपको इस मीटिंग में, वर्चुअल मीटिंग में जिसने आपको इनवाइट किया है, उनसे आप फिर से जुड़िए. आपका नेक्स्ट करने का काम ये है कि द नेक्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज गेट योरसेल्फ इन्वॉल्व. कुछ भी अच्छा मतलब कोई भी अच्छी चीज को जानने के लिए उसके साथ इन्वॉल्व होना जरूरी है. और हियर दिस इज सच अ वंडरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म जहां आपको सिखाने वाले लोग हैं. यू गेट मेंटर, यू गेट इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी. मैंने सरकारी मतलब डिपार्टमेंट में काम किया है. आई हैव वर्क फॉर 6 years. मैं अगर अपनी बात करूँ, आई हैव वर्क फॉर 6 years एंड देन somehow I felt कि इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी वहां पे नहीं है. देयर वाज दिस जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड ऑल. स्ट्रेस, बोलिए मत कितना स्ट्रेस है. Then somehow after I got married and I have my own family, when I got into my family course, then I thought that somehow I'm not being able to balance this. So the right decision I took was I quit my job and I see, I was building this business at that time also, and still I am building this business, and that the decision which I took about quitting the job and taking this as my prime profession, I will never regret it because I am enjoying every bit of it. I'm enjoying my quality time with my daughter, with my family, with my business associates. Such helping, such happy faces we meet every day, and we get together, be it virtually, be it means face to face. हम जब भी मिलते हैं, it doesn't matter. We all are happy because we know we are in the right place. And income किसको नहीं चाहिए? Is there any person in this world who will say that I don't need a second source of income? I don't need an additional income. See, everybody needs something in their life, and that something is missing, and that whatever is missing, you can, if you build this business as your, if you build Amway business as your career, that's something that everything will means will be given back to you by this business, by this company. So it was so nice, and I also got super excited talking to you, listening from a super excited speaker. So I will again say कि जिसने भी आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म में इनवाइट किया है, उनसे जुड़िए, इन्वेस्टिगेट कीजिए, जानिए, प्रोडक्ट से मतलब यूज कीजिए, एक यूजर फ्रेंडली नेटवर्क बनाइए, एंड देन you will see how it does the magic. Or I am sure you will never regret taking this decision to join this business, because we are enjoying, we are happy, we are earning, we are means everything, सब कुछ good. और कुछ बुरा होगा भी तो हम लोग सब मिलके उसको अच्छा कर ही लेंगे, इतना तो है. So let's take this resolution कि हम न्यू ईयर में एक बहुत ही नया स्टार्टअप करेंगे, and hope this business gives you everything you desire in your life. And this is Angela Rascoa again signing off. यहाँ हम आपको एक वीडियो के साथ बाय बाय करेंगे. So thank you all for being here, and let's enjoy the video.
Awesome presentation, awesome.
Amway is always moving ahead with the future in mind. That's why it's my first choice. That's why I will never be in an outdated business.
Equal opportunity for all, 60 years of commitment, yet always recasting with modern times. What better can I opt for?